Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is queue data structure. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is queue data structure? A queue data structure is a fundamental concept in computer science used for storing and managing data in a specific order. It follows the principle of first in first out or FIFO, where the first element added to the queue in the first one to be removed. Queues are commonly used in various algorithms and applications for their simplicity and efficiency in managing data flow. So a queue is a linear data structure that follows the first in first out principle. It operates like a line where elements are added at one end or the rear and removed from the other end or the front. So basically we have here the basic operations of queue data structure. NQ, which means insert, adds an element to the rear of the queue. DQ or delete removes and returns the element from the front of the queue. Pick returns the element at the front of the queue without removing it. Is empty checks if the queue is empty. Is full checks if the queue is full. Now let us talk about the applications of queue. Task scheduling in operating systems is one of its applications. Second, we have here data transfer in network communication. Third, we have simulation of real-world systems, waiting lines, and lastly, number 4, periodic queues for event processing, queues for event processing. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is queue data structure, courtesy for us with geeks4geeks.org. Thank you so much for allowing us to use the content. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for your support in watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jik saying bye bye for now.